Prior to transferring scan data to the Visualizer 3D Studio software, you need to connect your detector to the notebook via Bluetooth. To do this, click on the Windows icon and open Settings. Then tap on Devices. Bluetooth is probably switched off here. Switch it on. Then click on Add Bluetooth or other device. In the next window, select Bluetooth. It will take a moment to establish the connection. Select your detector. Once the connection is established, you will get a success message. You can now close this in the Settings menu. Now open the Visualizer 3D Studio software to prepare and perform a measurement with your detector.